Alright, who's next? Prob? Prob? I gotta learn that. Everybody give it up for this young fucking kid right here. Yo! Yeah! I'm motherfucking Probdead.
I like your shirt.
Appreciate it, bro.
Hands on fire.
Thank you, too. I'm from Norwich. We gonna see if you fuck with this set though.
Hell yeah.
Let's go, Probdead.
Gotta find my fucking lighter though.
Who got the plum? Who got the lights? I can't wait to see the.
I got a torch over here if you need it.
Okay, y'all know some lame shit.
Alright.
Yeah, Probdead.
I always try and do that.
Let's go.
Who's rubbing up?
Let's go.
How you really feel? Rule number one, never tell a bitch how you really feel. How you really feel. How you really feel. Kiss the end of lights, baby, promise that it's real. Baby, promise that it's real. Rule number one, never tell a bitch how you really feel. How you really feel. How you really feel. Kiss the end of lights, baby, promise that it's real. Baby, promise that it's real. About to stop the Lexi, I will fuck the Lexi, Lexi. I really wanna pull up, I'ma stand and tell you everything be funny till we never actually feel me. Drop a press on the sun like I'm a body's falling heavy. We don't wanna go, those bitches that I know. Fuck, I only love my shorty, bitch, I really gotta go. Half the people who around me probably figuring these hoes. I be drunk 100 times, bitching myself is coming home. Tell a bitch how you really feel, how you really feel, how you really feel. Kiss me on the lights, baby, promise that it's real. Can you promise that it's real? Never tell a bitch how you really feel, how you really feel, how you really feel. Kiss me on the lights, baby, promise that it's real. Can you promise that it's real? Yo, we gotta lower the track a little bit, I feel like. Let's promise that it's real. I forget what song's up next, low-key.
That shit was so fire, bro. I did not expect it.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. All love, for real. I got Probdead bracelets, too, if any motherfucker wants any, for real. Catch me after the set.
Let's go!
How's everyone's night, though, for real? What y'all think of everybody else? Y'all motherfuckers killed it, for real. I heard bars, for real.
Let's go,
Fuck 'em
Probdead.
though,
Probdead.
Dead as fuck.
Probably dead.
Probably dead. Dead as fuck. Probably a lot of other things, too, but, you know, the vibe.
Probdead.
Prob gay. Dead as fuck. Probably dead. We're just doing right now, smoking a blunt. Wait. Ready to run, whatever. I'm always ready. Digging out from my grave that I once say I'm in love with my dreams, I really don't hate it. Where I go and now wait. I'm in love with my dreams, I really don't hate it. Out from my grave that I once say I'm in love with my dreams, I really don't hate it. Where I go and now wait. My dreams, I really don't hate it. Crash course in the nighttime. Yeah, I don't even know if you should be this ain't my life. I still feel you all around me. I see this blue eyes. Pouring on the line, I'm expecting to forget. Shaking the head, I stay up in my bed. I'm praying something cool might happen. The sun explodes, we die the world. I'm praying something cool might happen. The sun explodes, we die the world. From my grave that I once lay in, I'm in love with my dreams that we don't hate. Don't care where I go, and I'm waiting. My dreams that we don't hate. That we once lay in, I'm in love with my dreams that we don't hate. Don't care where I go, and I'm waiting. My dreams that we don't hate. Shout out all you motherfuckers for real. I'm Probdead. Again, I forget the next song, but we gonna find out.
My daddy said stay away from Juliet. I can safely say I saw the stars, but still kept popping tags.
Worst day of your life. Y'all know what it's like to be in the worst day of your life. This is a song for you motherfuckers. You're welcome to the worst day of your life. Spend a couple hours cutting through me like a knife. Tuck your oxy, you can't act so fucking nice. But I'm parked outside your block, I hope you know I'm doing fine. You're welcome to the worst day of your life. Spend a couple hours cutting through me like a knife. You can tuck your oxy, you can't act so fucking nice. But I'm parked outside your block, I hope you know I'm doing fine. And my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. I can safely say I saw the stars, but still kept popping 10. So he told me just stop taking things, I really miss my friends. But recording when I hit your house and never left again. I could never feel alright, I'ma cry until I die. If the moon shines bright enough, I'll see you in the sky. I still never pour a grain, I'd rather mix it up with dye. If you didn't know it's how good, would you ever even fight? Welcome to the worst day of your life. Spend a couple hours cutting through me like a knife. You can tuck your oxy, you can't act so fucking nice. But I'm parked outside your block, I hope you know I'm doing fine. Welcome to the worst day of your life. Spend a couple hours cutting through me like a knife. You can tuck your oxy, you can't act so fucking nice. But I'm parked outside your block, I hope you know I'm doing fine. I hope you know I'm fine. Again, shout out everybody else. This is for healings over. Alexa. Taste my blood is my elixir. No matter how hard I try, I don't think I miss her. I gotta take the jaws at the bitch first. Talking things we can't, posing for the picture. Taste my blood is my elixir. No matter how hard I try, I don't think I miss her. Take the jaws at the bitch first. Talking things we can't, posing for the picture. I don't think I can hire, I feel like everybody's spending. That should be my heart, you toxic, I got codeine in my head. You might never find his body, but you'll find me over there. Don't take off my body, shit, I'll probably want you mad. How you calling on my phone to cry if you ain't even honest. Talk another rap and closing, talk down in your lobby. If you sound me geeking at the party, you ain't even strong. I'm the honey, working crazy, eyes on that the chocolate house. Sometimes I feel held, you should be about the pictures I ain't on that. Shout out everybody son. No matter how hard I try, I don't think I'll make some. Take the jaws out the pitch first. I'm driving through your town, I'm posing for the pictures. Taste my blood is hard to wake some. No matter how hard I try, I don't think I'll make some. Take the jaws out the pitch first. I'm driving through your town, I'm posing for the pictures. I think there's a couple more. Probdead, again. Vein break. Alright, again, don't know the set list, I forget. I did not prepare fully.
Who got the blunt? Who got the lighter?
I'm trying to find them.
I was just returning the cursed soda drink hat to its original owner.
Oh, this is a new song I just made recently.
Killer is. He's buried out in Floater Cemetery.
You should get to know me better, but I don't camera shy. All I need is spin the lashes next to me. Stay up late night, looking at the stars. You should look in my face and tell me what you want. I got too much in my body for my side. When I step up in the building, baby, everybody dies. So that bitch tricked out when it's too easy to fall. You just felt like you were wrong. Baby girl, you won't catch me with a hug. So late, I'm so sorry, I'll text you back. Just to say you know this is round the yard. Should've known we never fuck with such a dummy. How could you ever even love me? I don't even love me, girl. Oh, baby, I just feel the pain. Got you right, I got too much fucking Xanax in my body. I might die, shit. I got way too much every day. I can't see the light, and I'm looking for my feeling. I'm walking with a party. Is this a pattern that I write? Finally in the car, I was just another guy. Like, oh my god, oh my god. You're thinking that I'm jealous, but you justify. Oh my god, oh my god. Probdead in the back with a bad run. Probdead, you ain't seen shit. Tried to trap the style of my ears, you're gone through. I'm gonna help me on me, you be locking, drinking cheers. I'll be walking on you like an iron, you can think about you. I don't think about you. When it's too easy to fall, you just felt like you were wrong. Baby girl, you won't catch me in a hug. It's so late, I'm so sorry, text me back. You're so sick, you know this is round the yard. Should've known you never felt with such a dog. How could you really? I know you ain't know me. I got one more. It's kind of old. The production is shit, but I had to play that bitch. It's coming up. But again, shout out every motherfucker here. Everyone who played. It's all down. They're a fucking legend. Been here for many shows, but never played. I've been hurt really bad at this bitch too. On God, I still have like scars in my mouth, dude. For real. We go hard at Dog Pound usually. That fucking hurt. This is never wanna die. This is about my ex-fucking girlfriend. Let's just take this. No, I never want it back. I still drive around and think of what we had. I'm still looking at the wall. Pockets and the side I grab. I told my doctor, love me, yes, and God, you make it really fast. No, I never want it back. No, I never want it back. Bitch, I never want you back. Still alive. You were the wrong face on the wrong day. Fuck at the wrong place. Told her that it should have girl to come out. She tried to come right. She tried to come right about that. When you call me, when you come back. You're a dick and you really made me feel bad. Anyways, you should be sure when you get this. I still miss you, Probdead. I still love you, Probdead. No, I never want it back. I still got the right to think of what we had. I'm still looking at the wall. Pockets and instead I grabbed that. Told my doctor, love me, yes, I got you, make it really fast. No, I never want it back. No, I never want it back. No, I never want it back. This is my first like what I could never do. What you think you know is not the pills, bitch. No, it's not the pills, bitch. Everything I wonder what I do. I still look around and wonder what she said. No, I never want it back. I still try to around and think of what we had. I'm still looking at the wall. Pockets and it's that I grabbed. I told my doctor, love me, that's so bad, you make it really fast. No, I never want it back. 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 Thank you guys for help. Can we sound first? No, I never want it back. No, I never want it back. Prob fucking dead, dude. Maybe I'm dead, maybe I'm not. I don't really know anymore.
We're all a little good.
On God. Well, thank you guys for real. I appreciate the love.
Thank you. Love you, Probdead.
Probdead. Catch me on IG at Probdead with 2 Ds, bro. Catch my music, all plats, SoundCloud, fucking wherever you want to go. Catch me out in public, catch me at my house, I don't know, hit me up. But no, for real, like, I appreciate all the love. I appreciate everyone who played, all y'all motherfuckers goats. Shout out Dogtown. Catch me for a bracelet, for real, I got so many in my pocket, bro, I don't want to take them home. Swear to God. Hey, I got you. Gotta hand the mic back, for real. But again, all love, thank you guys. One more fucking round of applause. I want it for my fucking ego. Yeah, feed the ego. Thank you, boys.